Upgraded to Unity 6 and now these error message won't leave you alone? Well, that's because in Unity 6, FindObjectOfType and FindObjectsOfType have been deprecated, replaced with faster, clearer alternatives called FindFirstObjectByType, FindAnyObjectByType, and FindObjectsByType. Let's start by understanding how FindObjectOfType works. It searches through every eligible game object in the scene, then sorts them by instance ID and returns the one with the lowest ID. This sorting made the function slower, but since developers can't control instance IDs, and they often change unpredictably, this sorting was usually pointless, especially when trying to grab singletons. That is why the three new functions we just mentioned exist. The FindObjectOfType function was replaced with FindAnyObjectByType and FindFirstObjectByType. The FindFirstObjectByType function replicates the old functionality of FindObjectByType, while FindAnyObjectByType finds a suitable game object without doing the sorting by instance ID, which makes it faster. There is also an option to use FindObjectsByType sort mode, instance ID, and FindObjectsByType sort mode.none, which function similarly to FindFirstObjectByType and FindAnyObjectByType. Verdict: in 99% of cases, you will find yourself using the faster alternatives, as there will be little reason why you will need to get a game object with the smallest instance ID. There is also a very interesting readability change made to both functions. Before, you would add a true argument if you wanted them to consider inactive game objects. Now, you will use a FindObjectsInactive.include argument instead, which makes the code more readable. I hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching.